This is a multi-case, meaning that it'll fit both Chevrolets and Buick Pontiac Olds. This has the multi-case pattern where it can fit either one. It's both convex and concave. It is a lockup 350. You can see by the input shaft here. And the check ball locations for the case are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that again is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 near the front where the pump is. The other 3 and almost a smiley face. So if you look at it this way, if you want to try to remember the pattern, 2 eyes and a smiley face. I will put a link up here in the corner to my playlist on transmission repair, and there will be links in the description to the Automatic Transmission Service Group's repair manuals. They're much thinner, cut to the chase, not a lot of fluff, just the stuff you need.
Insanely cool cars, tool reviews, and auto repair videos.